Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Bluetooth thermal label printer. It's very flexible, works for Android, iOS, Windows computer, Mac OS and even Chrome, either through Bluetooth or USB plug. Model type is RW402B and maximum label size is 4 by 6 inches. But I do not only have the label printer here, I have also the label holder here, so we can see how they work together. And so here's what we get in the box. Get these large instructions manual, everything nicely protected. And here's this printer. And so here we have it, a real beauty. Not too large, not too small, but of course not a travel size, not something which you take with you on travel in a suitcase or so. But for an office, I would say perfect size. It has also quite some weight, so you don't have to be worried that it's flipping over. Comes with this soft rubber feet. And as accessories we get normal standard 3-prong AC plug, USB-C to C cable, USB-A to USB-C, for example for Mac, of course a power supply itself. And here's the label holder, instructions of course, then all these parts nicely protected here inside. Assembly of the label holder also very easy, pretty intuitive. Of course we have an inside and an outside surface here, that's the top. So we have to align this, push it inside. Same thing on the other side. So we have it pretty much already. And just to show you that how this works with this reel holder, I have a little bit narrow reel here. I don't know if it makes sense, but just to show you here, we slide it in, put the reel over it, push it fully through, secure the axle on both of the sides, and then we can put the label printer on top and feed the label from the back. But here in this case I'm going to use these 3 labels which were in the box. To add the paper we have to push here on the side, open the printer and then feed the labels with the printing side to the top here through, push it down again, connecting the power here to the side, connecting the original USB-C cable here as well to this laptop. And so we have this set here side by side. Looks really beautiful to me. Of course now time to turn it on in the back. And so it has adjusted here the paper and you can see it has also recognized this printer. What I like here is that it goes back to the first label. With a lot of other label printers we are wasting some labels. After we have connected the label printer to computer with the USB-C cable and turned on the label printer, we can see a D drive in the computer overview. We can click here and get a link for the driver download. For example, open with Chrome. Then we have different downloads. For example, the window version. Can click on that, install the software, choose the language, confirm that the printer is connected. Now we have the choice of connecting through USB or Bluetooth. Here we are using USB. Click on next, click on install, finish. And so I've opened here a test label. That's not a real label, so I can show you that here. Click on print. You have to choose the printer. If it's not here, click on see more. Here we have it. And click on print. And then it starts printing and you can see it prints pretty fast. It's a nice print, but of course it's too large, so let's use that again. More settings, scale, fit to printable area. Yeah, that looks much better. Click on print. And so we have this one here as well. And so can we tear it down? Yeah, absolutely awesome. Yeah, what you're saying, really nice, beautiful print. Really solid, no errors, left to right, top to bottom, and yeah, also nicely sticking here, for example, to a box. By the way, just checked how it looks when we have to add it by Bluetooth. Here I've clicked on adding device and it shows already up, so it looks like we don't have to press a button to activate Bluetooth. It's always on and goes directly into connecting mode. So I cancel this here because I have it already. Also very easy to remove the labels, turn off the printer, push here, make sure that it snaps to the left side, and then we can just pull it out so we don't have to waste labels. And so let's try also from the mobile phone. Here we have the app from the official Android Play Store. I've installed it and now I can select the printer, this one here. Let's click on connect. And so down here we have a few samples already. Click on use, click on print. We can choose different settings, speed, density. Now we have to connect the printer on Bluetooth. Click on connect, pair device, says connected. And now I can see the print icon. So I click on print. And it's printing right away here. Yeah, and so I'd say everything looking really good. Of course, we have to download the driver first before we can use that. But after that, everything works really straightforward, pretty reliable. Print is fast and in good quality. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this printer, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.